My God, my camera's about to die because I left it on like a dummy, but woo. God. The other wheels came out the oven, and ladies and gentlemen, they are fucked. Look at that. This video. So if you're not a part of this channel, my name is Carl and I make decent content here. This is Samantha. She's 13D swapped, rotary swapped, whatever you want to call it. She's rowdy. The exhaust isn't done, it's just an up and down pipe. But yeah, so if you're not a part of the channel, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, let's get into it today. I got the battery box made. It is definitely not perfect because it's still got a little shake in it. So I got to figure out a way to mount it. Or actually, I just have to run some bars on the bottom and kind of make like a triangle on both sides because it'll stiffen it up. And then what I've been doing is I've been taking the time to move all the wires in the correct places so that that's all good. Yeah. That's pretty much it for right now. I'm actually about to head to Will's house so I can sandblast my wheels and throw them on the car. So I'll sandblast them tonight, powder coat them tomorrow. I'll finish that tomorrow and I'll probably just scuff it up with Scotch-Brite and whatnot. And then I'll powder coat that tomorrow as well. And then put my wheels back on, put the Haltech sensors in that I got. And I believe that's it for now. So yeah. Okay, we're back. I didn't show you guys any of the sandblasting stuff because I didn't want to bring this camera in there and I forgot my GoPro, but I sandblasted. Now, let's talk about it. This wheel, looking pretty good. Outside of the barrel, you really don't have to worry about because the tire covers that, so who cares about that? Inside of the barrel, went through, got off any asphalt or anything that was sticking on it, wheel weights, things like that. Right? Cool. Good. I think it's this wheel. This wheel. Same thing. Looks pretty good. This wheel. You could see it's still got some color to it. I was running low on media, so I had to make a decision of if I really wanted to clean this wheel 100% or if I wanted to do, you know, just enough. Then I ran out of media. So we're going to talk to Will about this one and see what he thinks. This one and this one are good. Okay, so I just opened the oven with the wheels. They have the chrome on them right now, and oh my God, they look so good. So the next, what I'll have to do is I'll have to take this, which is Golden Brass 2, and I'll spray it on top of the chrome, and that's what will give us like our translucent or like chrome look. I think I might have a piece of it sitting around here. Hold on. But yeah, that's what'll give us like our translucent look or our translucent color. Yeah. So it's actually something like this, It's not gonna be that, I won't make it this dark. I want it to be something a little bit lighter, kind of like this. But it all depends on how heavy you spray it, because you can see like it's super dark here, but then here it's a bit lighter. So we're kind of going for a lighter look, but we will see. So I actually have to spray it on pretty light, honestly, and see how it comes out. If I don't like it, I can throw another coat on. It'll be darker. And then after I do that, then it'll be onto the chrome. Now these wheels look really good. Now the wheels that I'm worried about are these two. So I hit it with the aircraft stripper, actually. Worked really well in taking it off. The only thing I'm worried about is, like, you see this on this one? All this here. Now, it doesn't have a texture. Most of it is pretty flat, actually. So what I'm thinking is, when I spray it, the chrome will cover a lot of it up. And then when I spray the other color on top of it, it'll cover a lot more of that up. Like, it won't show through. It's really more the texture that I'm worried about. But as long as it covers it up well, should be good. I've sanded everything multiple times now, cleaned it. So it should come out pretty good on both wheels. If not, I'll just strip it, or I won't strip it. I'll just pay someone to do it because I'm not sandblasting again. Okay. Yeah, for now. Here's the chrome out of the oven. It looks really, really good. Eddie's here. That's his R32 over there. But the chrome looks really, really good. This one came out really good. I'm super happy with it. This one, so this one's got like a little, you can kind of see it. It's got a little bit of like a, kind of like an orange peel look. So I'm kind of hoping that when I throw the next coat on, it'll cover that up. But as of right now, it's looking pretty good. So the next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let them cool down. Because right now they're around 400 degrees. So I'll let them cool down, then I'll spray this next color. The thing is with this is I don't want to spray it when it's hot, because what will happen is the powder will start to melt, and then it'll be kind of hard to tell how much powder is actually on the wheel. So let it cool off. What? It'll look pretty good though, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, my camera's about to die because I left it on like a dummy, but woo, god damn, this is perfect. It's perfect. Barrels came out good too. There are obviously some spots on here that are a little lighter and some that are darker than others because the powder's a little bit hard to get it in the right place, but this is perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. It looks so good. So now I'm gonna throw some clear on it, and yeah. All right, the other wheels came out the oven, and ladies and gentlemen, they are fucked. Look at that. Got a nice, beautiful texture going on here. So now I gotta strip them, and yeah. Okay, so I'm editing the video, and I just noticed that I didn't outro it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button. My name's KaRL. I make decent content, and if you want to see more of what I've been doing, you should hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.